What's the meaning of alternating current? Alternating current. Alternating current. Alternating current. Alternating current. Alternating current.
Alternating current, AC, is a type of electrical current that regularly reverses direction. The movement of electric charge periodically changes direction, resulting in a flow of electricity that alternates back and forth. AC is the most commonly used type of electrical power in homes and businesses. The advantage of AC over direct current, DC, is that it can be transmitted over long distances with less energy loss. AC also allows for the design of more efficient motors and generators.